Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Right, I just want to talk about 3D printing. You know, when you come to a 3D print, you've printed it and you always get leftover spool. There's always filament left on a reel, all the time. Now a lot of people chuck these away, say, oh well, I can't be asked to mess about with that. You know, they don't know how much is left. Now, if you're printing something small, like the Back to the Future cane, Biff's cane from Back to the Future 2, I mean this one a lot at all. Now I'll use the parts that are left over, I'll do little prints, I'll do little builds, you know, it's absolutely cool. Or I'll use the filament to start a new build off. You know, I'll just put it straight in, leave it on, and only if I'm working in here, of course, so I can keep my eye on it, I'll let it run. I'll make sure it, you know, when I do my print, it'll all be brimmed. You know, use as much as I can. Now, if you're doing a build with your with your parts of filament left over and you're not too sure how much is left, now what I do is I just get some normal scales. That's all I get, just normal cooking scales, but I use it for my fiberglasses and my materials, for my silicons and stuff like that. So, right, what I do is, you get an empty spool, empty reel, right? Place it on top of the scales. 223 grams this weighs. So you press the calibrate button, so it'll go back to 0, right? So now that's calibrated. You take that off, then you place the filament on the roll, place it on the scale. Now this is weighing in at 40 grams. So we now know there's 40 grams of filament left on this reel. So if you're doing a small project, that's 30 grams or 38 or 40 grams, you now know you have enough filament to finish your project and you don't need to panic. And that's what I do. I do it all the time. I never waste anything. I hate seeing waste. So I hope this little tip helps you out. I mean, some people do know about this tip, some people don't. That's what I'm here for, to share my information with you guys and help you on your way. That's what I said, these are not expensive scales. I recommend it because I say when I was building the Back to the Future cane, I saw how much it weighed and I went, ooh, right, let's have a look. I looked at the print time, so it was, I think it was about 8-9 hours, something like that. So I got my reels out, went, right, no problemo. So I picked 2 reels out. I was in here for the day, so I know exactly how much to use, so I don't need to panic. And that's the 3D printing for you. You know, you can use the off-cut reels. Like I say, these machines, they do have a filament change, so don't panic. Everyone gets up in a little bit of an uptight row. Oh no, I've got to do a filament change. It's dead easy. Just stop your machine, if it's got the button, just change the reel. That's it. You're not wasting materials. And that's what it's all about. Right, I hope this helped. I'll see you guys soon on the next episode. Ta-da.